Hi everyone, this is just going to be an addendum to the video where I put this connector on this cable to make a short extension cord. Okay, just to let you know that first, whenever I run any lines in my shop or anything, I use one of these testers to make sure that I got everything wired correctly. I don't know if you can... No, it's not focusing very well. But if you notice, it says the red off and the two yellows on, that the circuit is wired correctly. So first, let's try our outlet here. There. See, I got the two yellows and the red is off. So this is wired correctly, neutral to neutral, ground to ground, and hot to hot. So then we can come over here. Oh, and I found my cordless drill, but I don't know. I think there might be something wrong with the battery charger because it never seems to really have a lot of power. Okay, so we're going to take this. Over here, plug it in. And then come back over here, and I got to get the end of the cord. So just to test this, let me see if I can manage to set this up in a way that... Okay, so here's the cord, it's plugged in. I plug this in, and there, it's wired correctly. I got yellow, yellow, and red is off. So I know the power's coming to it, and just to show you that power's to it, see, I don't know if you can move it this way. Should be able to... That's right in the way. Okay. So it's that light. And the power switch is... Where did the power switch go? There. So let me see. You can... Yep. There. So the extension cord is wired correctly and it works. Okay. And since this is made just a couple days before Christmas, Merry Christmas, everyone.